If you want to edit photos faster and get smarter results on your phone or iPad, then learning how to use AI in Lightroom Mobile is a game changer. In this video, I'll walk you through the most useful AI tools in Lightroom Mobile step by step, including AI masking, AI remove, auto edit, and AI presets. By the end, you'll know how to make your photos look polished with much less manual work. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy app tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Lightroom Mobile and choose the photo you want to edit. The most important AI feature is AI masking. To use it, tap the masking icon, which usually looks like a circle or dotted selection tool. From there, Lightroom will show you smart options like subject, sky, and background. If you want to edit a person, tap subject. If you want to adjust the sky, tap sky. If you want the area behind the main subject, tap background. Lightroom will automatically detect the selected area using AI, which saves a lot of time compared to manual selections. Once the mask is created, you can refine it if needed, then adjust light, color, or effects separately for that specific part of the photo. This is one of the best ways to make your edits look professional because you can target only the exact area you want. Next, let's look at AI remove, which is perfect for object removal. Tap the remove tool, usually shown with a bandage icon, and then choose generative remove or heal depending on your version of Lightroom. Now simply brush over the object you want to remove, whether it's a person in the background, a power line, a spot, or any distraction in the image. Lightroom's AI will automatically fill in the missing area and blend it with the surrounding background. This makes cleanup fast and easy without needing advanced editing skills. After that, go to the Auto option for AI Auto Edit. Open the Actions panel and tap Auto. Lightroom will analyze the photo and automatically adjust exposure, contrast, color, and other settings to give you a cleaner starting point. This is especially useful when you want a quick improvement before making your own manual edits. You can always refine the result afterward, but Auto gives you a strong base in just one tap. Now let's talk about AI presets, also called adaptive presets. Go to the preset section and look for adaptive options such as subject, sky, or portrait. These presets use AI to apply edits selectively, which means Lightroom can enhance only the subject or only the sky instead of changing the whole photo equally. That gives you a much more natural and polished look. Adaptive presets are great when you want a fast, consistent style across your images without spending too much time adjusting every setting manually. So if you want the fastest workflow, remember this simple order. Use AI masking for targeted edits, AI remove for cleanup, auto for quick enhancement, and adaptive presets for smart style control. These 4 tools can completely change the way you edit in Lightroom Mobile and on iPad. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.